Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how you can read smudged text on a screenshot on your phone. Write whether my solution helped you and whether you managed to do so. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments, and I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. As you can see right now, I have this kind of infectious screenshot on my screen. And if we want to see what is written here, then for this we need to download in the Apple Store. If we will be on an iPhone or iPad, here is such a cool program, which is called Snapseed. Also, this program is suitable for Android. It is absolutely free. You install. After that, go into it. Click Add Photo. Choose your screenshot. Then you click Tools. Here you choose Tools. And then you need to do all sorts of colors, more, less, contrast, and so on. The first one we put on plus 100%. The second one we put contrast minus 100%. And everything else, we set it to plus 100. And we'll see. Maybe some settings are minus, some are plus. You have to play with them and try them out. Look, as you can see, we can already see the text that is drawn. So when I make it smaller, the text is less visible. When I put plus 100, you can see the text right away. See, when I clamp it down, it's like this, it's like this. Now we can fully read all the text that we have here on the screenshot. And this way to work with absolutely any color. You can try it. So write whether my solution helped you and if it worked for you in the comments. If you still have any questions, then also write me in the comments below. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Goodbye.